say people, me say when time me look, me get to understand say Dr. Donna Marie girl, which as I know me call her Big D. Big D, they go away, go left the shop, go take a tour out of the shop there in a summer. I want to tell her congratulations, but I want to ask now. So when I realize it look like me I forgot to take up, I don't know how to go. If anything for my birthday, I have to get gift, I have to go share it. For buy some Pampers and some Pepto Bismol because I say, me now say, who say? Can I get the understand to them? I say, no, say, yes, she but she not reach the gate. So I never take them, I go take it back. But when me I say, then it say, what happened to the one where it say, the tongue them where it say, Donna can't get visa because Donna didn't have visa fraud. Alright. And for the one them, what did I say? Oh, come she can't reach and she have her picnic them there. Now you see what it mean the right time. You see when that's why we take things one day at a time. You see what it mean the right time. And now at the time come. I mean no see not today she get it. I don't think so. I can't say no, I don't think so because I don't live in a Donna house. I don't think so. So you will see. So you can write all the immigration you want. You can do all I want because the same immigration here. And when Donna come, I don't know how to go now with my good friend Miss Tina. Because I say Tina, you see it now? Me say I want Chris and Donna go in a foreign and crush him. I want Donna and Chris go in there and the two of them just have it. I want him get lawsuit pan lawsuit pan lawsuit pan lawsuit. Congratulations, Donna, congratulations. Me say uno is one. I know if people upsetting them, I say people. I don't want to mash up my plenty now. Come on, make sure I say this to Donna now before I go. Come in and come for Tanland. Donna, you know that nearly most me you have big problem out here. You cannot carry them news and come drop it and you know that I have sore foot. You know I have lung emboli. And you know what say me live in a tent. You suppose anything I may go jump and at my sore foot and mash up my tent. Suppose that you can't do them things there, Donna. You have to give out them news with warning and caution. I do every day take my pill. You have to give them news with warning. So who have pill? You have to give them things with warning, man. You have to give them things with warning. You can't give them the news, so you can't drop them the news, so somebody can't take nothing more, you know. Next time I go jump up, no, I take my sore foot. No, man. But congratulations, girl. Congratulations. Very happy for you. One thing though, me know you will always do it and you will always be yourself. Nobody go over there come twang. You hear me, ma'am? Don't go twang. When you're there, you be yourself. When you know when you got the business place, like when you go forget the green card, and so you got to speak. But when you have nobody nobody, me no want no one that the twang. Be yourself. Me know you always be yourself. Don't be yourself. I remember when I say over there, cold car, you're talking about New York, you know, my friend. So make sure so you put up your coat. You know, keep it warm. Keep it warm. Yes, keep it warm. I'm very happy for you. I'm very happy for you. And you, Miss Tina, since me come here, try to do the 15 minutes, you're quick and fast. Since you come, we know you sell the cake. We know so you went and ball and sell the cake with your big friend. We know what happened. But we will tell the people them earlier. We will tell, but you're still not going into Canada. It's the products them going. If them go. Because if you come out, you can get trouble. Don't even bother me know what go on. Who God bless, no man curse. I say people make a tell on us something. I make me say this too. Sister P, big up yourself. You see, sometimes everything, every disappointment is for a good. I'm gonna tell us something. Me know me say Facebook send me one notification, say them I recommend my page. Say them I recommend. Hey Conta, Bon Papa. Say ayo. Say them I recommend my page. And thing, me tell us something. So when it's your time to shine. What is for you? Nobody. So I don't know who the thing say. Let me see if when time Donna tap up in night if some Donna not tapping some of them out you hear? Cause some of them out look just like pit latrine. Don't tap in them out. No tap in them out. Me not just me no know, I don't know which part you they got tap guys. Some of them out and some I can imagine no other part when them body can. Big up yourself, bless yourself. You know we're there here. We will always there, we will support you, and congratulations. I am very happy. Me feel like I get it, but me not like too much of the plane ride still here. Me not like the plane ride, but I'm very happy for you. For all who did I say you cannot get it because you say you enter in you did enter in there. Bird out for all who you go. What's awesome? For all who did I say you couldn't enter, you can't go. Let me see what is going on now. Then so start cause embassy and say fraud and I buy your money. They might come with another story. Let me hear me I go listen with it, what's the next thing. They might go come with something new now because they say they're supposed to shame. Anyhow, I either go left for no, me only come to tell Donna congratulations because I couldn't sleep with this congratulations here tonight. So, we did have to come out to come and tell Donna, I said, I never do anything at the fix me tent. Very good, very good. But you know Donna not going to go for the first time I stay. You know she not going for the first time I stay. But me tell you, for them I go find way. Them I go find way. See. Them I go find way. Anyway, people bless upon themselves.